Hello everyone. In this video tutorial I am going to cover how to use the locators in the Selenium WebDriver, and locators are used to identify the element. In Selenium there are 8 types of locators are available. So all of them are static methods in a by class. So it is an completely abstract class, and all the methods take string as an argument and return an object type of by. The by object is used as an input argument. So for a find element method, and return type of find element method is web element, and the return type of list of web element is called as list of web elements. So for as like in the previous videos, I had covered for how to use the tag name locator and ID locator. So tag name video part 2 in which I had covered already, and ID as I had covered for in the part 3. Now I am going to show you how to use the name locator and how to identify the element. Let me show you in the notepad. So I'm write the source code of HTML. So let me explain you. Okay, now just right click on it and you will find the text document. I'm just giving name locator. I already wrote the script of HTML source code, just I am copying over here. Here name locator attribute value and name and value. So here I am giving attribute is called as n1 locate n1. So let me just right click on it and save as, and just I am saving the file name is HTML. So click on save. So now we got this file name. Just right click on it and go to the open with, and I'm just going for the Chrome browsers. So just whatever I have created the link over here, just right click on it and go to the inspect. Now you will find the attribute called as n1. So let me just I'm copying. Let me go to the Eclipse. So we have to write the script for name locator. So this project is already created. I have a package name. Just right click on it and just going to create the class name. So name locator. Select public static void main and click on finish. No, because I already written the script. I'm just copying that script. I'm kindly suggesting to refer the previous video. You will understand how to write the script and how to set the path of the web element. Oh, okay. Now I'm going to change the URL of the application. So whatever I wrote. So this is our URL. Now we'll write the name locator script. So find element to select it. So we have the name of the locator called as name. So by.org.openkey.selenium by. Okay, just I'm selecting this option. Now I'm going to create one. You have to give the locator value over here. Yeah, we have to give the attribute value. So I'm just going to give that. Right click on it and run as and Java application. Now the Chrome browser is started and it has opened the empty browser and then it enters the URL of that and okay, this is URL has been entered. Now let me go to the Eclipse. So we'll have to click on that link. Just we have the option called as click. We have to run one more time. Now the browser got launched and then it has been clicked on that link. Now the successfully NameLocator is working. So let me go to the Eclipse. So I will show you one more example of this. Just I'm going to close. Okay, we'll go to Google application browser. Just right click on it and you have to search the NameLocator here. So we have go to the Eclipse. So we have to change the URL as well. Run the application again. So if you have any other URL, you just work on that. So you will understand ID and name locators are very important when we are working on the application, web application. Let me show you one more example of using how the name locators are going to use. Okay. So we have this option. Just right click on it and inspect the element. You will find the name locator area. Just copy the name locator value. Right click on it, go to the Java application and save the script. Now the browser is got launched and it is going to enter the URL of that, and now it is just loading the page. Now the cursor is identifying over here, so